Hello YouTube. I purchase and review products which I find it interesting. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing my thoughts on this Samsung 32-inch monitor. This is a unboxing and installation video and hoping that will be helpful for you if you're actually planning to buy a 32-inch monitor. The particular product is a Samsung 32-inch Full HD 75 Hz 4 millisecond GTG curved VA LED FreeSync gaming monitor. Well, I know that's a long name. Or LC32R500. That's a code name. The color is actually bluish gray. I paid about 269 Canadian on Boxing Day of December 2020, that is December 26th, and it is around something 199 USD at time of taking this video. I'm a software engineer working from home for last 1 year. More and more of us are actually working online these days, working from home. We need to make sure that we are buying a monitor which makes our work easy and less fatigue for our eyes. I was researching fairly for a cheap monitor, a FHD, it's like a full HD. That is, full HD means whenever you see FHD, that means 1080p. That's a max it can support. If you see a UHD, that means it's a 4K, and those are expensive. Also, for my work, I don't need a UHD. So I concluded this Samsung 32-inch FHD monitor will be good for me, and I wanted to see how a curved one. I never had a curved monitor yet. So I just thought, okay, let me give it a try. Once again, remember the code name LC32R50. It came actually in a way, it was well packed, it looked good, and this is actually how I received it. As you have seen, the monitor looks good. It is not small, it is actually kind of big. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. I'll be grateful to you for that. So, coming back to the monitor. So if you're actually, it will fit in any small car. It's not that big. As you can see, it is pretty small. It's not that huge. It's not like it's just like a 32-inch TV, just if you have a TV around. And here I'm actually unboxing it. And something about this monitor actually, it's a 32-inch. So it is kind of big compared to the one which we all have, 21-inch or 23-inch. This is actually the box. It came very well packed, and these are the installation instructions, which I will actually come back to that a little later. Came with a power adapter, a stand. I've seen the HDMI, then the extension of the power adapter, that's a power plug, power cord, and that's HDMI. And instructions, clip, and actually the stand. It's the neck of the stand. That's where you actually put the monitor, connect the monitor to the stand. And here is a big reveal. I was so excited. I was actually looking for a long time, and this is my Christmas present for myself for working hard for this year, just like you. So it came very well packed. Keep in mind that this is a very fragile unit. Make sure that don't press it towards it, okay? If you press it, the monitor will break. It is a fairly big monitor, and I am holding in my hand. It's not that heavy, but it is. It's about, I think, about 4 or 5 kilos might be. If you are in pound, maybe 9 or 10 pounds maybe. These are the outputs. It does not have too many outputs or anything, but it is fairly good. See, I'm holding in my hand, and actually it's not that heavy. You can easily lift it. So whenever you install, please be careful with that. I have actually seen somebody reviewing, somebody touch that panel with his fingernails and it broke. So it looks like it is a fragile thing. It's you really need to be careful when you handle that one. As you can see, I wasn't. Nothing else in that box. Pretty much straightforward stuff. And that curved part will be looking towards you when you install, when you actually watching that monitor. There is two small screws. It's very important. Do not lose that screws, okay? You need that. I haven't used this 3M sticker. If you want, you can actually do it. It comes with instructions in all kind of language, in every possible language you can imagine. So finding the English one was little hard. Anyway, it wasn't that hard. But if you actually worked with computers or worked with some monitors, then it is a straightforward. There is nothing rocket science there. But it is a good idea to read that one. Okay, make sure you read that. Comes with a warranty as well. I haven't actually checked how much warranty it got. It looks like it may be 1 year or so. CR50 series. It actually got great reviews in Amazon, got great reviews in Best Buy store. I actually purchased it from Best Buy because it was really close to my house. That neck was a little tricky thing. I was trying how to configure that in various ways. Don't do that. I'm just trying to fit in there. That was not the case, which I will show you how to do it properly. Okay, so here is a small screw. You pull that plug out, then unscrew it. That's how you can actually put this one back. But I again realized the installation of, I have installed tons of monitors in my life as a software engineer for last 15 years. But this one was little tricky. It wasn't very straightforward. So I was trying every other combinations how to actually properly install that. And it was a little concerning, and that is wrong. What I am doing. No, that is not correct. So I figured it out. Okay, that is not. Oh no, actually that was correct. That's the right way. Yeah. So then you actually screw towards it and make it tight. But again, I wouldn't actually encourage you to do like that. I will show you a little later how to do it properly, because when I tried to place that monitor there in this way, it wasn't working well. This is what actually the instruction showed me to do it. So there was a small clip, as you can see on the top. I am trying to put that towards that clip, and it might be a good idea to have one more person with you. Okay, see, the clip is supposed to go inside there, but it wasn't easy to put that one there. I found it a little bit of odd. The designing of that gooseneck could have been much more easier, could have been done in a bit more easier way. I thought actually I am putting it right. No, it wasn't going in. I thought to edit and edit this video and don't show this one, but I am pretty sure that somebody else will be going through the exact same thing and trying to do the same mistake. That's why I haven't edited it. I just thought to show the thing which I am doing in a wrong way. No, that is wrong. If I touch it, the monitor will fall back. Okay, so don't do that. I will show you exactly how to do it. I'm just showing this video to make sure that you are not going to repeat the same mistake what I did. So what you have to do, you have to take that gooseneck out, okay? Just take only that part out. Could have been much more easier if I have done that. So, which I'll be doing it right away now. So there are 4 clips, 2 on the top and 2 on the side. You need to actually press that one really well down. Then only it actually properly goes in. And to tell you the fact, it wasn't growing properly. That was looks like a design flaw, but it wasn't bad. It is holding up very well, so I'm confident it will not fall off. So what I have done, I took that top part away. Oh, these are actually the DC plugs and the HDMI and the VGA. See, there are 2 screws in behind there. I took that stand off because it was very hard for me to actually put that way. I took it off, slide it in, then there were 2 screws. I told you that there were 2 screws. You need to keep it safe, those ones. Then tighten with that screws, then actually put this last stand. You need somebody to hold this monitor. Somebody has to actually hold the monitor for you because it's a 32-inch. It's just like a small TV. So once you do that and make sure the nuts are in, then you are kind of good to go. Make sure that once you put it, just tilt the monitor a couple of times. Okay, sometimes if the hook is not properly in, the monitor will fall, and because it's a curved monitor, it will break very easily. So kindly make sure that you are doing it. Here I am actually taking the power adapter and trying to connect it. Installation, the hooking up to power was very easy, very easy. Only two cords, just like any other monitor. But if you remember, actually the other monitors has big plug points, right? Here it is kind of small, just like a Xbox or PS4 or something like that. Here I'm actually hooking up to the power just to see how it works. And left side, left bottom, that's where the power switch is. Left side bottom, as you can see on the other end. Here, unlike the other monitors, is a small DC plug one. And there is, as you can see, there is a headphone jack too, which I found pretty interesting, which is good. So one more thing, when I actually connected the laptop stopped the sound because it was directing to the monitor. So make sure when you plug this one, if you cannot hear any voice back, go to sound settings and select the output device back to your laptop or your desktop, because otherwise it will route back to the monitor headphone jack. And so you plug it in, it's actually on the left side bottom. I'm actually trying to find out where the keys are. Couldn't actually find out. It is actually on the back of the monitor on the left side. Usually they put the keys just right below there, but not in this case though. It wasn't hard to find. You can easily find that switch. It is a pretty good one. As you can see, that's where actually I'm turning it on. I haven't hooked up to my laptop or anything. I will actually do it and I will show you. That's it. That's pretty much actually the unboxing and installation. Here I connected to my laptop. It looks good. The quality is very good. It's not out of the world or anything, but it's good for me. I'm actually doing a video of a 32-inch, 27-inch and 21-inch. If you can actually see my other videos, you will see the difference, how big is this monitor. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.